Welcome back, guys. This is the latest update of our 23-way ceramic spray coatings and sealants longevity test, this being update number 13, or the 8-month mark. The weather has cooled off and it's been somewhat rainy, so let's see if anything has been affected. As usual, the last 30 days weather, as well as the lifetime weather that this hood has seen, is on your screen here. If you would like to support the channel, all you need to do is hit the like button, subscribe, and of course comment down below if you have any experience with any of these products. If you do plan on purchasing any of these products, please consider doing so through the links in the video description, as it really does help the channel out so you can keep seeing tests like these. If you're just joining us, please be sure to check out the entire series of each of these videos, as there is a ton of work that goes into the research, prep, install, and continued testing of these. So as usual, we will foam it down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it with an Australian sheep's wool wash mitt, and then of course rinse to inspect the hydrophobic properties before we dry everything off. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into it, see how things are getting on. So jumping right into it, Sonex ceramic spray, very close to failing. You can see that it sticks for quite a while. Griot's 3-in-1, got some wear on it. New Finish graphene, holding up pretty well, but again, it's also got some wear. Not to be no surprises or anything at this point. Adams Advanced and Wolfgang Uber. Wolfgang is very close. White Diamond. We'll give it a pass, but it's really close. McKee's Hydro Graphene, sort of in the same boat there. You know, the 6-month mark is when most of these start getting quite weak, and it's pretty apparent now. But you see Sonex, it comes back just slightly. Avalon King Boost, that is the first version of it. They have since reformulated it because it was very tough to install, very grabby when you try to level it. Soft 99 Trees, which was rated for 3 months, it's very close. You can see it does, as the surface tension breaks, it does come back slightly, but it's really close. It's looking like next month we're probably going to have quite a few that we're going to call failed. You can see that there are several that you could almost call failed this month, but either this month or next, very close. Geon Evo Can Coat, that has been a surprise for me this whole test. Still very hydrophobic. Of course not like day one, but not bad. So you can see as I back the pressure washer away, you can look at the hydrophobics there. Griot's, New Finish, and Geon Can Coat are the 3 standouts for me. But we'll probably keep this test going until about the year mark. We're not too far away from that. I think that it's going to be pretty clear who the 3 top will be, but let's see. But we'll see how long some of these others hold up. But yeah, TIC System Quartz Max is going to be our failure this month, with several others very close behind. So I would look for quite a few failures next month. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.